All right, gonna ask the question in relation to home workouts. Should I focus on those, and or should I go to the gym, and should I focus on training or foods? So we'll expand on those right here, right now. So first of which, do I need to go to the gym to see results? The answer is straight up no. Home workouts are very efficient, okay, especially if you're using compound movements and exercises such as squats, such as push-ups, using large muscle groups such as those legs, a large muscle group in your body, push-up, working the chest and the arms. Okay, what a compound movement is, it uses multiple and large muscle groups that tear more muscle fibers that burn more calories. With home workouts, it's important to have, especially if you're doing body weights, to have it high intensity, such as the example of 20 seconds on with a 10-second rest. Okay, this is just a simple example. Another example is 50 seconds on with a 10-second rest. The whole idea is your heart rate is continuously up, okay, burning through your glycogen stores, which is converted from carbohydrates and stored in the muscles so that you can use it then as a direct fuel source. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to go to the gym, okay, but then we're moving on to the likes of, if you have dumbbells at home, you can add in added weight, added resistance, tear more muscle fibers than the likes of body weight exercises. So when you do this, then you're able to maximize the benefits of that exercise, but you're slowing down the tempo as you otherwise would have been previously doing in a body weight exercise, whether it be a squat with a dumbbell close to your chest, dropping down. And as a result of that, again, as I said, you're tearing more muscle fibers, you're burning more calories, getting you into a calorie deficit. But then we'll move on to the likes of your nutrition. You cannot out-train a bad diet. So that's why it's important to not only get your training in, recommend 3 to 4 times a week minimum to see maximal benefits in a 6 to 8 week period, which is optimal for someone trying to focus in on and keep concentration on both their training and their foods. And what are the foods that I recommend? I recommend a preference towards plant-based. Why? Because you get plant protein. You can get protein from the likes of plants. Previously, I didn't think this was possible. I have a high percentage of plant-based proteins in my diet, whether it be from tofu, whether it be from tempeh, fermented soya, beans, nuts, grains, seeds. Okay, these are all plant-based protein that I get people to either grow some of their own and or choose them organically. Why? Because their nutritional value is at a higher level, and there's one thing that isn't used in the likes of organic growing, that's glyphosate, which can cause negative effects not only to yourself and others, but also your gut. Okay, and remember how important it is to consume them from high fibrous foods, because fiber feeds your gut microorganisms, and when you feed your gut microorganisms, okay, they produce 90% of your serotonin in your body. Okay, the whole idea of it is you can see progress from home workouts. If you have dumbbells, you can change up the training slightly, tailored with either a professional, a personal trainer, or someone who knows a little bit more about the exercises and carrying out in the correct form. So it's important to get the knowledge, to do the training, and to focus in on the likes of your food, because you cannot gain the advantage as something you do not do. All right, lads, stay tuned, stay classy, and keep it organic. Get on that good stuff.